everybody, so I'm totally excited. I got 2 new kits and they're from craftsy'sart.com. They do like diamond painting kits and all different kinds. They do full drill, squirrel drill, other like DIY crafts, which I got today. They were kind enough to send these to me and asked me like do a review for them, like an honest review. And here's what I got. So I got this journal book that I picked out. Here's a journal I picked out. And they also sent me a bookmark kit. So the kits come with everything you need. They come with, you know, the pen, the drills. So let's see what we got. I'm so excited. I think this is such a cool idea, especially with back to school coming up. You get a journal, and I'll put the link down below. So here you have your journal, and there's tons and tons of these. Like there's mandalas, and I'll kind of do a quick walkthrough of their site if you're interested. So this journal is cream colored. There's no lines. There is a little bookmark. The cover is soft. It's not completely hard. I mean, it's not complete. It's interesting. It's it's not a completely hard cover, but it's not like totally bendy, but it's a little soft. So with this, you get your tray, your pen. And what I like about this is I do like diamond painting, but I don't always like having to commit myself to a big, huge diamond painting. I find it relaxing, but I really like the journals. Like this really intrigued me, and they had kind of said, you know, pick something out on the website, you know, we'll send it to you to do the review. And these really struck me, and I was like, oh my god, the journals are really cool. And I believe these are 10, but I will definitely show you their website and we'll look them up and see what other things they have too. So not only does it come with the small ones, you also have your bigger ones. And then we have here, have your covering here, and you know, only the part where you stick the gems, if you can see, they're numbered. So you can see, oh my god, I'm so excited. This is really cool. Okay, I'm going to stick them on. See that? Aren't these, I don't know, I'm in love. I like really think this is such a good idea. Sparkle on them, if you can, I don't know if the camera will catch this. I mean, they're definitely, if you like the bling and the sparkle, if you can see that. I'm really impressed with I'm super impressed with the gems. I like that they're all different sizes. I think that's pretty neat too, like you have different sizes. I think it's a really good idea. I'm really enjoying this. It's pretty quick too, like I mean, I can't imagine it would take more than an hour to do this whole thing. This is, I think, an amazing gift idea. And honestly, you could either give the whole kit as a gift and let the person do it themselves, or you could do it and then, you know, have the fun of doing it and then give it done and say like, oh, like I bought you this or I made you this. Like, I think this is an amazing gift, definitely. Or just, you know, keep for yourself, but I really like it. And I like that I can just finish it. So I'm gonna like finish this up and then I will show you the end results. But really, so far, look at that sparkle. It is so sparkly and blingy. I love it. I'm so happy with this choice. Okay, so I'll finish it up and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so I'm almost finished. I just have some of the bigger gems to put on, the number 7s. And I guess it takes, I would say it takes about an hour to do. I actually had to stop and do some like errands, but and it was relaxing. Like I just sat there and kind of watched the video and put these on. So it's a fun project that you can do in a relatively short time. I like it. It looks really pretty. Let's see, we're almost done. And I want to say that I don't know if it came from the address here on the packaging that I got was from New York. I don't know if it originated in China. It only took I would say maybe 2 weeks to get here, so not too long. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, pretty fast. I definitely was here within 2 weeks. And of course, with the pandemic, you know, we're still in the middle of the pandemic, so everything takes, you know, a lot longer. Everything kind of takes a little longer nowadays because of the pandemic. But I think we got it. Okay, so here we go, and I think I got all the spots. Let's see. I hope I got them all. So, you know, obviously this part is not sticky. It's only sticky on parts that you stick the gems onto. And here we go. So let me zoom out a little bit. Here we go. If you can see, there is a lot of shiny bling. There we go. I like it. It's really cool. And you know, again, it's a journal. But I mean, I'm feeling it. They're not moving around, so it's sticky. Like, it's not like, I don't think they're gonna fall off. Nothing's gonna fall off. Everything's stuck pretty well on here. So you could take it and throw it in your bag and stuff. And I definitely think this would be a really nice gift, or just for yourself. It's a fun project. It doesn't take too long. It's easy. The numbers are well to see. As you can see, I literally have lots of extras. Look at these bags. I mean, these are all extras that I have. Let me just show you real quick. I'm not going to do this one on camera because it's similar, I think. And this one is actually pretty much almost well, it's not a full drill, but this is like a bookmark, and you could actually put a string in here, and it comes with a tassel to put the string in. So here's the tassel that you could put in for the string when you're done. And you know, it comes with the trays, comes with some extra bags, and this one also has all the different sizes. There are different sizes and very sparkly. Okay, so this is their site, craftsiart.com, and if you can see, like right on the front, so they'll do there's all different themes that they have. They have the DIY. So here's a DIY. So you can get a notebook like I have. And there was tons of notebooks to choose from. So there's literally, here are like the notebooks. And as you can see, they're gorgeous. This is the one I chose right here, but there's tons of them. And I want to, oh, there's also like wallets. Look at this. So there's like wallets. That's pretty cool too. You can get like a little clutch bag. So I like that. And those are $8. They're doing a sale right now. So the books were $16.99. They're $10, $9.99. And I'm pretty sure there's like, I scrolled through and there was a lot of them. I mean, you could choose from a lot of different ones. Some of the notebooks have lines, some of them don't have lines. Look at this, really pretty. Some are, you know, just gorgeous. And then there's, let's see, what else do they have like for the DIY? So there's notebooks, there's keychains. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at these. You could get keychains, the owls, all different kinds of keychains. There's necklaces, pendants. So I really like them because they, like I said, it came pretty quickly. I got extra supplies with my stuff. And let's do the wallets. Look at these. Look at these. I love them. So the wallets are like $8.99, $7.99, depending on the price. They're, you know, they're not too big, if you can see. But there's a lot to choose from. How many pages? There's 3 different pages of them. Wallet bags, like little coin purses and stuff. Look at, adorable, especially for kids. I mean, these are amazing for kids. Coin purses and stuff. I really like their stuff. So let me see, there was a picture of somebody with the bag to kind of give you an idea of how big the bag would be. size-wise. And then, so there's, let's see, they have the 5D full drill, and there's, you know, tons and tons and tons. They're in categories. Look at this, 152 pages. Wow. So that is a lot of full drill paintings. I mean, and then they go into categories. Oh, I really like that. Oh, look at that with the, oh, I like that. I mean, I do like, they have their best selling. Let's click on that. Special shape diamond painting. So then there's special shaped ones, and square diamond painting. I have not tried the square diamond painting. I think like maybe the next time I do get a diamond painting, I will get a square one. I love this. I have like a puzzle that's almost just like that. Very pretty. And the prices are good. I mean, you would have to look at the sizes, but here we go. This is a full drill square diamond painting. $6.99, regular $12. Let's see what the sizes are, because you always want to look at the sizes. So this is a 30 by 30 centimeter. You can do it by, you know, animals, cartoons. Let's see what they have for cartoons. Oh, so definitely a lot of different cartoons, and there's how many pages? Over 30 pages of different cartoons. Then you have your different animals. Let's go to dragons. I love dragons. And let's see. Okay, so then they have the tools. You can buy all the tools through them. The various tools. And there's 4 pages of that. And prices are really good. I mean, amazingly. And then all collections. Let's see, what are collections? Okay, so just best-selling, different. Oh, that's pretty too. I like that. Yeah, I mean, you could definitely spend a long time looking through all of this stuff. Oh, look at those. The birds. Those are really nice. Definitely to hang. So even so, 90 by 45 centimeter. I mean, $18.99. I know when I bought my peacock, it was a little pricey. They also have the multi 5 pieces, and even that's only $15. I mean, wow, look at this. 15 bucks. Pretty good. And no, they're not paying me to do this. They did send me this to review. I didn't pay for this, but I'm not getting paid to have people to like say they're great or anything. I'm not, other than getting that shipped to me, I'm not, you know, getting paid. But I really do think, I mean, you can see the quality of this. I'm sure the diamond paintings are pretty good. I would hope so. You would check it out, read reviews, see what other people have said about it. I think their prices are good. I haven't bought a diamond painting lately, so I don't know if prices are generally cheaper now. But anyways, again, this is craftyarts.com. I'll put a link below, and if you're interested, check them out, and if you have any questions. Also, my question to you guys is, if you want to leave a comment, what do you do with them? I like doing diamond painting, but I don't ever know what to do with them when I'm done, because I don't generally hang them on my walls. So what do you do with your diamond paintings when you're done with them? Do you give them away as gifts? Do you hang them up? Or you just like, is it for like the finished project, or you like doing it? That was kind of my question. So leave a comment below and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.